Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS links, and right now we'll be discussing about how to style a link in CSS links. So links can be styled with any CSS property like color, font family, background, and so on and so forth. So right now I'm going to be styling our link with color right here, and also we are going to style with other elements also, with other properties also. So, and in addition, before I go, in addition, links can be styled differently depending on what state they are in. So I'm going to be showing you the different states your links can be in our CSS in our next chapter. But right now, let me show you how we can style a link easily, so you can be able to understand. To style a link, you are going to select the link element, which is the a tag. Then you are going to give it property that you want to specify in it, and also give it a value. So that's what we are going to do now. This is our document right here. As you can see, this our document is the one we are having a link right here in our previous tutorial where we discussed about how we can create a link, and right now we want to style this link. So this is the a tag that is having the link, and this is the href attribute that link us to the file of file1.html. So this a tag, now I'm going to copy this a, and inside our head section right here, I'm going to open our internal style sheet right here, and I'm going to paste the a right here and give it open bracket curly braces. So inside this curly braces, where I'm going to define the color. Let me give it our link a color. I want to change the color in our link, so I want to change the color to red. When I specify color red right here, you are going to see that this color, this blue right here, is going to turn to red. Let's reload. Can you see immediately it changed to red? And we can give it any other property also, but right now we are using just color, so you guys can see what we are talking about. And again, I can give it background color also. Let's say for instance now I want to give it background color of what? Let me give it background color of blue violet. Let me give it blue. Let me just give it blue first, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. When I give it background color, you are going to see that instead of being white, it's going to be blue. Can you see? Now we are having blue. I can change the text again, the color to what? To white again. Let me change it to white. When I change it to white, I save my document and reload. You are going to see that it's going to change. Can you see? Now we are having white, and we are having underground background, which is the blue. So that's how you can style your CSS. That's how you can style your link using this a tag. You are specifying the a tag, and inside this curly braces you are specifying values that you want, and you can give it any value you want from the CSS. You can try different values from different properties from the CSS. If you try and it works with it, definitely it can work with it, because we are having a lot of CSS property that we can specify using that we can add to our link element. So that's how everything goes. So in our next tutorial also, we are going to be talking about this in more details again. So, and what akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day.